This is Dan at Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2020 Gold Rush Autograph Mini Helmet Football 3-box break, eBay break, April 15th, 2020. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. We've got SCCON_1233 with the Saints, Seahawks, and Redskins. Bully B _86 with the Cowboys and Giants. Diggity's Deals 360 with the Titans. Lore Claus _0 with the Buccaneers. Duco-23 with the 49ers. Rick D 74 with the Steelers. Ben Dupu-0 with the Eagles. Natty Fran 10 with the Raiders. Diver Babe 73 with the Jets. HTOM6.TK_4 with the Patriots. Duco-23 with the Vikings. Diver Babe 73 also with the Dolphins. Boston-John Rams. Diver Babe 73 Chargers. Duco-23 with the Chiefs. J Loudon 1 with the Jaguars. Diver Babe 73 Colts. Boston-John with the Texans. Duco-23 with the Packers. 54321 Patrick with the Lions. Diver Babe 73 with the Broncos. W Guy 360 with the Browns. Diver Babe 73 with the Bengals. JEJEFSP_FCJPXAYDJ with the Bears. Tom 6-9 with the Panthers. 2010 BER 45 with the Bills. Malbur-93 with the Ravens. Kevy Sterling 3 with the Falcons. And Azcat for life rocking the Cardinals. That is your full lineup. All right. 1, 2, and 3. 2020 Gold Rush Autograph Mini Helmet Football Edition. Box number 1 coming your way. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. First hit, first helmet. The Cardinals striking first. We got a Enos Williams. Hall of Fame 14 inscription on there. We got a JSA certification there. And JSA cert right there. Cardinals striking first. Clam, you called for it. Azcat for life rocking the Cardinals. 360. Thanks for the props on the lineup call. Appreciate that. Cardinals on the board first. Nice Enos Williams autograph. Mini helmet. The Cardinals strike first. And autograph mini helmet number 2. Here we go. Coming at you front and center. The Broncos. Looks like Cortland Sutton. And it is Cortland Sutton. Autograph mini helmet for the Broncos. Like the white auto there. Got a Beckett COA. Come on, camera. There it goes. Beckett COA. And your Beckett COA is in there. Broncos on the board. Nice Cortland Sutton autograph mini helmet. Broncos. Diver Babe 73 rocking the Broncos. Congrats. Beautiful. Cortland Sutton autograph mini helmet. Broncos. All right. We got one helmet left here. Mini helmet number 3. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Ooh, wow. We got an amp alternate. Wow, is that one sweet looking helmet. Keenan Allen. Beautiful Keenan Allen autograph mini helmet for the Chargers. Here's the auto. That is one absolute gorgeous looking helmet. JSA certification there on the back. The Chargers sticker and your JSA cert right there. That is absolutely beautiful. Wow. Chargers. Diver Babe 73. Congrats. MK, congrats. That's nice. Beautiful Keenan Allen. That is gorgeous. Amp alternate. Chargers. Gorgeous. Chargers. We also had for the Broncos your Cortland Sutton autograph mini helmet for the Broncos. Nice Cortland Sutton. And we started it with the Cardinals. Aeneas Williams autograph mini helmet for the Cardinals. Guys, I want to thank everybody so much for breaking. Really, really appreciate it, guys. It really means a lot. Once again, we'll be back at it tomorrow night, so don't miss out again for tomorrow night, guys. CardboardHobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay, at Cardboard Hobby on Twitch. I'm sorry, on Twitter. I'll stick around in case anybody has any questions, guys. Please be smart, be safe out there, guys. Thank you so much. Really appreciate it.